Data structure in Java. Continued. Now explaining the code of queue. Now what policy does queue follow? The queue follows first in, first out. Now after the code of stack, we are going to see the code of queue. How? How is this linked list made? This linked list is made by applying the policy of the new node is attached but the previous node is given the address of the current node. Well, how do you know that? Let us see how the construction is done in this case of a making of a queue. In this case, you see the creation of the first node and naming it start. So the first node is named start here. After that, when the second node is created, so the second node is created, now the second node is given null in its address and the first node is given the address of the second node in its address part. Now we name the first node as start and start has to remain wherever it is so that when the new nodes are added, start does not get lost. We will need to know someone to tell. We need someone to tell us where the beginning is. Alright, because once I go to the last node, there is no way of coming back. In that way, we can call linked lists. These are one way. These are singly linked lists. They go in one direction. Okay, so here we come to the first node. After that, the second node is created and the address of the second node is given to the first one. Now, here you will see the movement is done by creating a current node for the next round. So here I can show you in a video like manner. Once the new node is created, here I will say current stays. Okay, so this current is not going to appear in the beginning when move is. Move is created. Now you check this out. The address part in current is whatever move is. Therefore, current's address is overwritten by move. Now this is coincidentally the start's address in the beginning. But after current is set, it will change its location and go to the next. Only then when the third one is created, I will save start and I will carry on with move. I'll show you how. Yes, see, this is how this current is now changing its location. Now, when the third node will be created, where address is put, value is put, and address is put as null. Now, what is going to be? Now, here current is not there in the beginning, and this part, yes, this one will remain active in the very beginning. Now, when the third node is created, then the address in the current, the address part of current will be assigned to whatever move is, and after that current will be relocated to where move is present. Now when the fourth one will come, first the fourth one's data and address will be set and then the current's address will be allocated to the fourth one and then current will move over to the next one, that is the last one. So move and current both will lose their value one after another. This is the program code. If the screen is looking small, I can make it little big. Let me try. Yeah, it is, but a bit of it is going out. Now, look at this one, code of make queue. How is it working? See, start is the first node. After this, start's data is allocated. Good enough. Now, current is set to wherever start is. So, current is getting allocated to wherever start is. So, current is now going to be the backup of the first, the previous. Now, we take the same input in move. Move is the name of the next node. There, the data part is input. And after that, the current's next is allocated to move and current then walks over and goes wherever move is. So every time this cycle will help us to continue with the chain formation where the start remains wherever it is. With this, I close this video. I'll come to the next video where I will explain the working of the code in Java. Okay.